What is producer gas primarily composed of? A. Sulfur dioxide and helium. B. Carbon monoxide and nitrogen. C. Methane and hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. The correct answer is B. Carbon monoxide and nitrogen. What is the function of a ranger? A. Division. B. Drawing. C. Simple addition. D. Multiplication. The correct answer is B. Drawing. What is the typical number of xylem bundles in a dicot root? A. Hexarch. B. Pentarch. C. Tetrarch. D. Polyarch. The correct answer is C. Tetrarch. What crisis did the Marathas manage to overcome before the Treaty of Purandhar? A. Their defeat at Panipat. B. The dethroning of Raja Odyar. C. The British Council's opposition. D. Tipu's family being sent to Vellore. The correct answer is A. Their defeat at Panipat. What was the initial method considered for removing water from mines? A. Building drainage systems. B. Diverting water sources. C. Using advanced machinery. D. Employing human labor. The correct answer is D. Employing human labor. What is the consequence if an object's weight is not less than the upward force? A. It will float. B. It will remain stationary. C. It will sink. D. It will rise. The correct answer is C. It will sink. Who proposed a model of the atom that explained its stability in a different manner than Rutherford? A. Ernest Rutherford. B. John Dalton. C. J.J. Thomson. D. Niels Bohr. The correct answer is D. Niels Bohr. Which of the following was one of the divisions monitored by the board? A. Agriculture. B. Trade. C. Judiciary. D. Armory. The correct answer is D. Armory. What is the minimum distance an obstacle must be from a sound source to hear a distinct echo? A. 34 meters. B. 17 meters. C. 51 meters. D. 8.5 m. The correct answer is B. 17 meters. What is a key characteristic of analgesics regarding consciousness? A. They enhance consciousness. B. They cause loss of consciousness. C. They do not cause loss of consciousness. D. They induce a dreamlike state. The correct answer is C. They do not cause loss of consciousness. What term is used to refer to the teachings of Buddha? A. Sangha. B. Dhamma. C. Nirvana. D. Karma. The correct answer is B. Dhamma. What is the key outcome of a chemical change? A. A change in physical state only. B. Formation of a new substance. C. A reversible alteration of appearance. D. Preservation of the original substance. The correct answer is B. Formation of a new substance. What happens to the magnetic force at a position where there is no deflection of a compass needle? A. It is absent. B. It is reversing direction. C. It is fluctuating. D. It is at its maximum. The correct answer is A. It is absent. What were the manuscripts often made from in this period? A. Papyrus. B. Clay tablets. C. Vellum. D. Palm leaf. The correct answer is D. Palm leaf. Which tree's leaves are used to make a tea-like drink in the Amazon region? A. Rubber tree. B. Mahogany tree. C. Quebracho tree. D. Yerba mate tree. The correct answer is D. Yerba mate tree. What is a negatively charged ion called? A. Anion. B. Proton. C. Neutral ion. D. Cation. The correct answer is A. Anion. Where are chromosomes primarily located within a cell? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosomes. C. Cytoplasm. D. Mitochondria. The correct answer is A. Nucleus. How does ionic radius change when moving across a period in the periodic table? A. It remains constant. B. It varies unpredictably. C. It increases. D. It decreases. The correct answer is D. It decreases. The Alkia Nambi temple, mentioned for its relief sculpture, is located in which district? A. Tanjavur district. B. Madurai district. C. Kanchipuram district. D. Tirunelveli district. The correct answer is D. Tirunelveli district. What is the primary reason atoms combine to form chemical compounds? A. To increase their mass. B. To achieve stability. C. To change their physical state. D. To decrease their volume. The correct answer is B. To achieve stability. Which type of cell in the nervous system is responsible for detecting, receiving, and transmitting different kinds of stimuli? A. Neurons. B. Schwann cells. C. Glial cells. D. Neuroglia. The correct answer is A. Neurons. What was the profession of Gandhi's father, Kaba Gandhi? A. Teacher. B. Diwan of Porbandar and Rajkot. C. Barrister. D. Lawyer. The correct answer is B. Diwan of Porbandar and Rajkot. Which figures are located on either side of the entrance in the described temples? A. Dwarpalas. B. Mythological heroes. C. Monarchs. D. Gods and goddesses. The correct answer is A. Dwarpalas. Which coal field is mentioned as being in proximity to the iron and steel industry? A. Jharia. B. Singareni. C. Skolar. D. Neyveli. The correct answer is A. Jharia. Services are provided at which level in the discussed structure? A. Panchayat union level. B. National level. C. State level. D. District level. The correct answer is A. Panchayat union level. The text suggests matter can be grouped based on its A. Mass. B. Color. C. Physical states. D. Shape. The correct answer is C. Physical states. What was a significant challenge for the Industrial Revolution in Germany? A. Its political setup. B. The invention of new lamps. C. The formation of trade unions. D. The condition of laborers' houses. The correct answer is A. Its political setup. What do earthworms and soil microbes add to the soil? A. Sand. B. Humus. C. Clay. D. Gravel. The correct answer is B. Humus. What happens to the nuclear membrane and nucleolus during prophase 2? A. They reappear. B. They duplicate. C. They condense. D. They disappear. The correct answer is D. They disappear. What kind of programming language is Scratch? A. A text-based programming language. B. A visual programming language. C. A low-level programming language. D. A markup programming language. The correct answer is B. A visual programming language. How did you score?